I'm going to be teaching you on how to do this kind of settings on your YouTube channel. So I'm already in my YouTube studio. All you just need to do, you just need to type youtube.studio.com. okay, so here we are. So you enter, we are already in the dashboard. So this is my channel. Let me scroll down for you to see. So here is my channel. This is my video I've done. This was yesterday. So let's go down to more settings. Okay, so this channel customization here, you click on it. So we've entered the channel customization. You enter this profile, you move to home tab. Let's see. Then you scroll down. You see, scroll down. This side that they say add languages. So this is what you're going to do here. You add language here, as I told you earlier. If you want to add your language, because it's already written in English, we are using English because I'm from Nigeria. We are using English. So you translate, you put English as the original language. So let's get started. Okay, so here you select original language. So select it. So let's look for English. Here's English. So we are using English, right? So you put your channel name here. Okay, so this is my channel name. Then you press select language here. The reason why I'm confused here is because of I was using phone to do this thing. Because if you are using phone, they will tell you to put channel name for those people that are using phone to do this kind of settings on your YouTube. So if you enter here, because here they have already put my description and my name is Big Joe. Then here they have already put my description. But if you are using phone, you still need to retype your name and your description on your YouTube channel. So you come here, you click on translation. So these are different country that you can use. This Arabic, this Arab, this American. There are different kind of this Chinese. So any English or any language you want your YouTube channel to be written, you understand? So the advantage of this thing now is just for those people that are watching your video, because you're not the only, it's not only your country that is watching your video. Your YouTube algorithm, how it works is that once you are going viral, your video will be YouTube will spread your video around the world. So both Chinese people and the rest of the country, UK, so whatever language they are using. So if your channel is only built on, if you only put the setting on English, it's only English that the rest of the country will see. Even when they are language speaking country, they won't understand your video, so they won't watch it. So the advantage of this thing now is for you to set your video to any kind of language. If it's Nigeria, it will be showing English. If it's China, it will be showing those China languages. You understand? So that's the advantage. So let me use one as an instance. Okay, let me use Chinese. So here they say Chinese, open bracket China. So let's use this one. So I've already clicked on this one. You enter your channel name. Enter Big Joe. Then here you can skip this description because it's long. So you click on done. So can you see? So let's see now. The translation here for the name is China. Can you see it? So now the advantage of this thing now, if any Chinese person is watching my video now, it's not going to be written in English in their country. It's Chinese. You understand? So that's the advantage of this. So I'm doing this video for you to go viral on YouTube and for you to get a lot of views. You understand? As you keep following my video, I'm going to be unlocking different secrets for you to grow your channel very fast. In the space of 1 year or 6 months, you have already monetized your channel. So if you follow my steps, you will see that it will be very easy for you to do. You understand? So if you like this video, hit on the plus button there, and please don't forget to like and share. Okay, once again, my name is Big Joe.